Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with WeChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be creating a 3D origami penguin model. So let me show you how it looks. It's over here. This is how it looks. Cute, simple and easy. So for this you'll need around 64 blue pieces, around 32 white pieces and around 4 orange pieces for the legs and the nose. And you might need some black beads. As you can see, these are the black beads which I have kept for eyes. You can keep anything as you want. So let's get started. So for this model you'll need 65 blue color pieces, around 35 or 36 white pieces and approximately 3 orange pieces. So I have all this already ready, so let's start making it. So let's pick few and let's keep them aside. Okay, so for the bottom layer you'll need blue pieces, and for the second layer above it you'll need blue and white. So we put it like this. There are 2 holes. If you see, there are 2 holes and there are 2 peaks over here. So you put one peak in one hole like this. Similarly you put the first peak of second one into second hole of the first one, the white one. This is how it fixes. So you just keep putting it like this. We need 3 white pieces here and 8 blue pieces in the base. So now we'll fill up with blue pieces. You can stick them if you want to, but that's a lot of work. So for quick demonstration I am not sticking them. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We need one more. And then you make a circle like this and there will be 2 remaining. It opens up sometimes like this, but that's okay. You put a final piece like this. Slowly adjust it properly. This is how it forms. And now we need 4 white pieces above these 3 white pieces. So this is how we lock it. If you can see, this is how we lock. We put we use 1 cone of this and 1 cone of this, and you put in these 2 holes like this. And then we'll put one here, we put one here and one like this. So we needed 4 whites, we got 4 whites, and now we'll cover up with blue. This got opened again, so you can keep it like this and then you can lock it so that it doesn't open. Slowly you press it like this so that it won't get teared off. and it gets the shape. This is how it looks. Okay, now we need three white pieces. So one in this, one here, and one here. And then we cover with blue pieces. To finish the entire row like this, and slowly press it like this. This is how it looks. Now we need 2 white pieces and 6 blue pieces. So 2 white pieces in the center, and 6 blue pieces. Let's take few more blue pieces. This is how it looks. Now you'll need some white pieces in the next row, in the next level or next row, but you need to keep them in reverse direction. So you have this, if you consider this as the forward direction, you turn it around and keep it in the reverse direction like this. We need to fill the entire row like this. With all white pieces. It looks like this. Now, since this is our center piece, here we need 4 white pieces and then cover the entire rest of the part with blue pieces. So we put 4 straight white pieces. We consider it from the center, so we'll start putting like this. One here. This is not open properly, so we'll use this one. One here, and we'll have 2 more. Let me pick few. One here and one here. Let's use another one. This looks more uniform. Yeah, and then we'll fill up with blue pieces. This is how it looks. Now we put 5 white pieces in next row and 3 blue pieces. So 5 white pieces, and then we fill up the remaining with blue pieces like this. Okay. This is how it looks. And now in the next row we need 4 white pieces. So from here we start filling it. Since we had 5, we take the center properly and then we put 4 like this, and then we fill up with blue pieces. Now we mark the center. The center is over here, so 2 white over here, 2 white over here. So at the center we put 1 blue piece, and then we fill 1 white piece on both the sides like this, and then we put all blue pieces. This is how it looks. And finally we do this as the last row. Now we put all blue pieces. Let me pick some blue pieces. Put it properly. One peak or one cone should go in one hole itself, like this. Otherwise it doesn't get fit properly. So the body is ready. Properly shape it like this.